Hello, my name is Gary. I'm 33 years old. I live in Oshawa, Ontario, and I'm participating in this year's 2019 WWF CN Tower Stair Climb for Nature. I've done the event before in 2017 with a time of 19 minutes and 42 seconds. That feeling you get when you get to the top of the tower is such a joyful, exciting feeling. It's a feeling of relief, it's a feeling of happiness, it's a feeling of excitement that you climb the stairs of the CN Tower. I'm participating this year to honor my sister who passed away August 10th of 2018. My participation in this event is very meaningful to me because my sister and I both shared a common love for animals. My sister loved dogs, cats, but her favorite animal was definitely the shark. Her birthday passed on February 7th of this year, and I wanted to honor and celebrate the birthday that she never got to have. I know my participation in this event is meaningful to my family, my friends, myself, and as well as my sister, so I'm extra excited to be participating in this event. If anybody wishes to make a donation online, they can visit the website www.tinyurl.com/stairwaytoamy.